Right the me work at Akobo, Morton but Akobo. Go attend South Sudan news. I'm just sure Akbar with Junub Sudan. God with a judge with Junub Sudan. Dr. Paul Nang. What talada yom le Morton le UN fi Akobo kan gadama le mai le Morton. Galo le UN gum fi Akobo. Woman there in Shakal fi Akobo. Galo UN gum fi Akobo. They order UN United Nations Protection Camp fi UN Akobo galo man gum. They have only 3 days talada yom. So what is it? What it mean? Bugulu le Morton ta Nuer. Let's find somewhere to go. You know what happened before in Ayot. Jama de Baji, and they will never leave nobody. Woman Boktula Yaja. Like it was said before that I Nuer Lagao lo Jana, lo Mara, lo Jedada, Lazum Yoktulu. Kaman Matansa ite Nuer, Shemara Nuer. Matansa, don't forget what happened in Abiomnam. You know the government belong to Dinka, though Kuma with Adenka. So what happened in Abiomnam, and if you're not careful for Akobo, they will do the same thing. They will do the same thing as a revenge. Remember, Okuma Dado, Okuma with Adenka, Okuma Jangne. If you give them opportunity, by a knock, by my knock, by God knock, Silama Bapal. So Rubuna got a side yet without. Utum not with us feel IO. Rajan be a right Morton, be a right all. Take them somewhere, Minakoba, Akobo town. Akobo town, can I couldn't judge without your God few. Can I couldn't judge with us feel IO. Why army? Now the Lindu Sla, Morton Danuere, Shilu Figabo, Shilu Maltane. Chai Yabupali Jam. We are young, we in young Moika Pursa, but we are a knock. Silama Bapal. They already said it. This war is a tribe war. It's not a government and SPLIO. The government got a goalism to Okuma, but they've been using the government name, but they shakal at Adanga Manuer. Olo Lagao Nuer, Mafia de Basibo. Ulo Nuer laga denga mafia ja besebo biane me linga go yen chamare noare mal ma kwes kalama bo golde bumne go barao mind wa yaja you must think smart she ko de ter go ate nyingten ita ma bonga de shakal kwes fi malfi mara malfi jana malfi zol kabir yal bitakum de shilu bara fi Akobo biya gad kamrar fi Akobo nang kerar gad kaman kareb dal bas ne de tegamait daines fi layo wayami fi Akobo lenga ne mega waye jege jang silama bapal baganak amana jidana kun I was already said kalamu kalas mafia da jidid fiu. That's shakala, they shakala, the my shakala is not a political. They shakala magabila. Lodanga laga Nuer, man Boktula Yaja, the Cataluman fi Akobo, Cataluman fi Yai, Cataluman fi Wat, Cataluman fi Ayot. Lo Nuer kaman laga, Danga kaman de lagao fi Abiomnam, Boktulu kaman be jana. You know? So be careful, here Mara Nuara, be careful, take this serious. Ajad got a kalam luray. Ajad luray got a kalam bill from them. Ajad was it. Dama Ajad was it. Luray Rajal Ajang. Who got a kalam wood and cow, Chenwar. Don't even look at him as your son. Luray Ajang got a kalam Kaidanka. He's representing the entire Danga government. But God went up, but man went up. It's not his business. He's just collecting his money. Luray got a shield group bus. Luray lada yoke. Roger Rajang. So in GSPLI will be careful, my civilian. We don't want the history tomorrow. Chaga nak chama nagijang. They mal. You know, they give you 72 hours. Take that 72 hours. Shil yal bara, shil marabara, shil ayajal taban, dola yan, shilo bara. Lano lo hukumu vada denga de wasa lumala akumun ma usay bayaja. Now the question it is, denga de balga guo min wen, asha ne gulle UN, that UN mo amali maile motam. That this wall UN basalo. Denga de hukumu vada denga laga guo min wen. Asha ne kalam giladaf, yugul anona ma de UN fi Akobo. Denga laga guo dem min wen for them to talk like this. Hukumu vada denga de, where did they get the power to order UN not to protect civilians in Akobo? It is unseen. Either there is remain to be seen. Lakin don't forget, ma mukoil wet gobal ke de katal motan da Nuer fi UN, fi Malta UN fi bor. Remember the munul da ganun alele mukoil wet. De mukoil wet yam da katal Nuer fi Malta UN fi bor. The same mukoil wet yaw zol da ganun alele. So she mare Nuer, she'll kalam de serious. We are got deal watch fi ajere Akobo kama gara nanga gara fi Akobo mamman. Akobo de kareb dal fi yetta nas gowin. SPLIO ma waya mi karumane fadal fi Akobo. Aizo le taban ayan gaba ta Akobo de dor ba Akobo de kabir. Ishilo yal fogo. Don't give them opportunity. What happened to Abiomnam, woman Bamalo? What happened to them in Abiomnam? They will do some revenge. If you take them not serious, you gotta be serious this time. Because tomorrow, even with social media, now we celebrating what happened in Abiomnam. They don't like that. Woman ma be kalamde. Logo dunga Abiomnam jang. So they will come now to do revenge for law. Law gowi, Bolshar gowi, Law Nuer gowi. But Moton ma gowi. Chik kagat kadong. Woman ma gowin. Ishil woman bara. Lo ita amal defeat. Nadal baji fi Akobo de Moton baji barja. Now, Robuna got a side yet without. I know she mare Nuer biangwag lar ke bombs till a pel. Chien lar ke pel. Ajat baga lar ke bomb. That's kon uni. Bene yel jang. Yes, kayen uni. Kan ye podi jang. But jang boktul fi yal batak. Denga boktul fi yal batak. They're targeting yal batak. They're targeting your children. They're targeting your women. They're targeting anything that is not subject to military power, you know. So to Nuer, she mare Nuer, kwagat kamrar fi Akobo. The same thing, the same lure. They am da me gal na de gum fi yai na de gum fi pejot na de gum fi what, and they came, they kill anything they can kill. Woman katal Nuer batal. So don't give them opportunity tani. Madadi opportunity. Yali shilo bara fi Akobo. Especially Kamreduyit. I know you are a very busy man. You will attend United States Congress few days from now. It will be fi America. But before you came to America, you better talk to United States. You better talk to United States government about what Denga is doing. Ordering UN fi Akobo that UN cannot protect civilian. You are acting commander-in-chief. Riek Machar is not there. If anything happened to civilian, you will be blamed, not Riek Machar. Lofia asal le moton bata Nuer. Basaluita ita uyit. You are the acting commander-in-chief. You acting in place of Riek Machar. Riek Machar got decision mafi ini to protect civilian. So do anything in your power. Kamreduyit, do anything in your power. Kalam hukuma ta America. Let them look into Salva Kiir behavior. El Bagul gal motan. UN got a taradu. That's SPLA got a taradu UN. SPLA that was protected by UN for 21 years. SPLA kan gada kulta inta UN fi itang. SPLA kan gada kulta inta UN fi Dimo. SPLA kan gada kulta inta UN fi Penyido. SPLA kan gada kulta inta UN fi Bargilo. SPLA de alele yo gada gule UN gal UN gum. Imagine. SPLA Nasa so quick, the forgotten so quick. That UN the foundation of the SPLA. UN was the foundation of the SPLA. Those of Mama did, they were under UN protection in Etangwan. Those of Salva Kiir, they were under UN protection in Gambela, Etangwan, Dima, Peñido. And they've forgotten that they will warn UN from Nuer that we don't want UN. It is remain to be seen that SPLA but Adenga in Uguaz. That's Denga God under UN protection because Kuma Kenya. Oh, Kenya Mataraduman. Kenya did not kick them out. Denga God for UN protection for Egypt. Egypt Mataraduman. Denga is God for under UN protection for Uganda. Mataraduman. Ila Denga Egypt the UN for Beleta Nuer. Just imagine that. So NGSPLIO, don't make mistake. She'll yal bara. She coded her for Malfiu yal. You cannot fight a war of Malfiu yal for Karen. Yal is Shilo bara. Ajata Nuerba Muluba power de. Power all sometimes it's not working. You gotta use your mind. Lazim bungwaglat kapel. Now it's not because you are coward, you are not coward. But Sila Boktul Finas. Therefore, I'm here to tell you what they're talking about. Not with the SPLA, Hukumata Dengade is very dangerous. It's very dangerous. And again, most of my message will go to acting chairman. You are the acting chairman of SPLIO. SPLIO into civilian. Those civilians must be protected by UN. They should all target Comrade Yit. Tamashi the Kalam America Gribadel. Tabakalam shall Nadita congratulations. By the way, let me say this congratulations. Ashan America in Adita. Congress for America is a big deal. It's a big deal to come to America. Ashan to go Durupata Kulu. Lana Yotrega but out to be the Kalam America. Donald Trump is listening, Donald Trump is watching. Tell them anything you know. That's Hukuma de Boktul, they're targeting Nuer Kai tribe. They're not fighting Nuer Kai SPLIO, ma SPLIG. They're targeting Nuer as a tribe. They're targeting Nuer everywhere. And I give video of Ibrahim Male. God bless Akobo. God bless Nuer. Be strong. Use your mind. And you will defeat them. Thank you.